way.
What?
Okay.
You're gonna have to fire away.
Our kids used to have a little Mario Kart. We used to watch them on the old Nintendo.
Well, wasn't that awful long ago that Nintendo set broke?
It
I was
isn't.
playing it right up until, just a year or so ago.
Court
playing
for the
Mario.
win.
Yeah.
That was a PlayStation.
Now they got
There's
it
no
again
reason
on
to outgrow
Wii.
it.
You can't open it.
That was a blast. What'd you get there?
Sports kid.
We got a fishing pole in there.
They have the fishing poles?
They do have
Oh.
a fishing
Cool.
pole.
Alright, tennis racket, golf, baseball.
I think it works with the game that we already have, but you can have the actual, like, swinging a racket instead of just a little controller.
Oh, was that the Wii?
Yeah.
For the
Is
Wii.
that the Wii?
Yeah, we got one at Christmas.
Cool.
The Mario Kart.
Yeah. Yep.
Is that the one where they mess with Sasquatch? Spooky?
Yeah.
Messing with Sasquatch?
Yeah, messing with that.
That's our.
Those commercials are hilarious.
When he's trying to catch a fish with his hands, they put a glare in his eyes so he can't see.
You're welcome.
Clowns.
Or when he's